Yo homies, welcome back to Course of English. In part 1, we started Caesar's Day with morning vibes, rising, eating, and grabbing shades. Now, in part 2, a day in Caesar's life, afternoon to night. We're rolling through 6 English phrases to finish Caesar's Day, like a Los Santos lobby. Perfect for English learners and GT fans. Missed part 1? Check it out, link below. Subscribe and let's hit the streets. Alright, Caesar's ready to roll. Let's jump into his afternoon. I'm hopping in my ride. CJ says, I hopping in my ride, meaning he's jumping into his car. Ride is slang for vehicle, like his low rider. Say it with swagger, I'm hopping in my ride. Let's roll, homies. Repeat. CJ's in the driver's seat. Time to meet the gang. I'm linking up with my homies. I'm linking up with my homies means meeting your buddies. Homies are your close friends, like CJ's groovy circle. Try it. I'm linking up with my homies. Your turn. Repeat. Great. Course together. Now it's time to plan. Let's keep moving. I'm planning the hustle. It means preparing for work or action. Hustle is CJ's word for mission or job. Say, I'm planning the hustle. Let's do it. Repeat. Yo, homies, we're halfway through CJ's day. 3 phrases down, 3 to go. If you're vibing with these lessons, hit the like button, subscribe to Gurus English for more San Andreas swag. Comment below. What's CJ best move so far? Missed part 1? It's got his morning vibes. Check it out. Link below. Let's get back to CJ's lunch break. CJ is hungry again. He says, I'm chilling with some grub. Means relaxing while eating. Grub is slang for food. Like CJ's burger at Cluckin Bell. Say, I'm chilling with some grub. Say it out loud, homies. Great. Lunch is done. Time to get to work. I'm handling my business. It means taking care of business or work. Sage is always on top of his game. Say, I'm handling my business. Your turn, homies. Repeat out loud. Work's wrapped. Sage is heading home. I'm rolling back to the crib. It means heading home. Crib is a slang for house, like Sage's spot on Grove Street. Say, I'm rolling back to the crib. Let's finish strong. Repeat. Sage's day is done. That's a wrap for part 2, homies. You've learned 6 phrases to finish Caesar's day, from hopping his ride to rolling back to the crib. Practice these, and you will be speaking English like a San Andreas boss. Smash the like button, subscribe to Guru English, and comment. What's your favorite phrase or what's Caesar's next adventure? Miss part 1? It's got his morning vibes. Links below. Check out our shorts or learn English with kitchen activities part 1 for more lessons. Thanks for rolling with us. Practice from Grove Street.